Felix here once again, and welcome to my page. My last video talked about Master of Research programs in the US and the UK, and taught masters too in the UK. Now, this video we are going to look at the differences and which one you should look at if you want to study your masters in UK. So at the end of the day, you will know which one to select. So we are talking about the differences first. Then we go to in terms of you making your decision, which one you should go in for. Now, with the duration, the master of or the taught masters is 12 months, mostly 12 months. But when we come to the research masters, it's mostly a year to two. That is 12 months to 24 months. Now, when you also go to the assessment, how is this taught masters and research-based masters, how is it assessed? With regards to the assessment, masters or taught masters, there's an exam, there's an essay, and there are some group works. But when we come to the research-based, you are dealing with essay, you are dealing with presentations, and we are dealing with project work and research work. Basically, these are the things that it will be mandated of you to do. Now, with the awards, after you are done with your course, for the third masters, you get your MSc, your MA, and your MBA. But with the research masters, after you are done with the course, you'll be giving your MRES, that is Master of Research, or your MPhil, or your ML, or MLIT, and your LLM. These are the aspects that will be given at the end of your duration. And also, one thing about this thing is that mostly the Master of Research comes with research grants. The government, there are grants bodies in the UK that gives grant for you that will help you with your research. It will help you with your research. The last thing here too is that with a research one, you can move with a family. If you have someone as your dependent, if you have your family, they will be able to join you as you go and school. And the last thing the last aspect to it is that tuition for the Master of Research is quite lower than the tuition for the Master for or the taught masters. Now, in making decision, which one should you choose between the two? Which one is right or will be right for you? Now, with the assessment in terms of the family movement, as said, research masters allow you to move with your family, but the thought master doesn't allow you to move with your family. Now, the career goals in terms of thought masters is suitable if you want to pursue career in a specific field. That is, if you have a field, specifically teaching field or whatever that you want to pursue and learn knowledge and skills in that field, you go with a thought masters. But if you want to get further studies, if you want to go for further studies like your PhD, understand why something happens in a specific field, then you go in for the research masters. And the learning style with the research masters is that with the research masters, there is independency. You do everything according to your own pace. There is an independence. You don't go to the classroom and those kind of things. So with your supervisor is the only one who will be guiding you on what to do. If you have any challenge, you just call on your supervisor. And the time frame too with the research masters is quite longer. So in terms of your residence permit with regards to your stay in the UK, you get a long stay for the research masters comparing it to the thought masters. So if you also need any assistance, don't forget to also DM us. If you also need any guidance with your study abroad journey, don't forget I and my team will be on standby to assist you. Thank you.